How to hide followers on Instagram. So as you can see right here, this is my profile. So I have in here followers as well as following. So whenever someone that is not me or someone of which is my follower or my stalker click on my followers right here in following, they should be able to see the people that I follow and the people that follows me. So if you want to make this private or if you want to hide it, head over right here to your three lines, and then from in there, just search in here for privacy, or you can also see in here this account privacy right here. Head over, click on that. Click on this toggle right here in order to make your account a private account. From in there, click on this switch to private option right here. And as you can see, your account right now is private. And when it's private, only the followers you approve can see the share, the photos, the videos, as well as the followers that you have and the following that you have on your profile as well. So that's how you hide followers on Instagram.